Today's video, I just got a $35 iPhone 6 from eBay. Now this device, it's actually fully functional. It's Find My iPhone Off. I believe the device was on Sprint or Boost Mobile. The reason why I got it so cheap, it wasn't on bid or anything. It was actually buy it now, and I actually got it from Tech.yt. He actually referred it to me, so I bought it. The thing that was wrong with it is a bad battery and a bad charging port. But the bad charging port is usually because it is dirty, but we'll find out in today's video. And I also bought a brand new battery for the iPhone 6. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Make sure not to show my address. Alright. The package, oh, okay, that's why. I was feeling the packaging and I noticed that it wasn't bubble wrap. So they use all tape and envelopes, which is cool. Long as the device is protected. So I'm trying to get this all in one video. Alright. And yeah, for 35 bucks, I could not pass it. Find My iPhone was off. It was not locked to an iCloud account, so I could not say no to that. Yeah, they really did put in the envelope. Okay. Put that to the side. Put that to the side. And yeah, that's the battery. And yeah, it feels pretty warm. It's a little bit scratched up on the back. It's actually really warm, but yeah. Let's see if it has some juice. He said that in the description of the person selling the phone said you have to like charge it. Like when you're charging it, you have to angle the charger in a certain way, so it does sound like it could be a dirty charging port. And then the battery I have right here. So yeah, I will end the video as soon as this thing fully comes on. And the screen's in really good condition. Probably just some minor scratches, which is a big deal. Okay, let me go back. Oh man, now I gotta start over. Okay, I'm not even gonna cut the video. I'm just gonna post it for you guys. Yeah, let me start that over. Yeah, English, United States. I'm surprised this part takes so long. Just trying to get straight to the home screen. That's really what I care about. Yeah, I probably will edit the video. We'll see. See, Wi-Fi shows up. Okay, it did. Wi-Fi did show up. Let me put in my password real quick. And I do have to hide my password, so yeah. Okay. Just joining in right now. Just waiting for it to skip. Okay. Now this is the moment of truth. Imagine if it was iCloud, I'd be laughing. Alright. For 35 bucks, man, I'm not even complaining. I can easily sell this for 100 or maybe 80 bucks just because it's on Sprint or Boost, but a lot of people in my area just buys it for like an iPod or like music, videos, and social media. So yeah. And yeah, we're good to go. Continue. Hope fingerprint does work. If it does, then we're in the game. Yep, we're in the game. Alright guys, it's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Let me just get to the home screen. Let's skip. Don't use. It says a new iPhone. It's like all that type of stuff. Don't use. Oh, it's loading. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. For $36. Oh my goodness. I am not complaining. I'll update you guys later or Instagram or whatever to tell you what happened. It looks like it's on iOS 12, but I mean iOS 11, but I could be wrong. And boom. Let's check the gigabytes. Not gigabytes, I mean let's check I forgot the word. iOS version. It's on 12.3.1, so yeah, it's pretty much trash. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Sorry for the long video, And see you guys in the next one. Bye.